Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Spirit. I'm so happy to be here. Please. Oh, you guys are too much. If you don't know, I am broadcasting from my new apartment. Yes. And today I'm going to show you guys how I create my super chic and slick ponytail. But before we do all of that, I want to tell you something that I do as a content creator. I like to make sure my face snatched, my clothes cute, and even though you can't smell it, I like to put on a squirt of perfume. Today I'm going to be trying out some scents from Dossier. So Dossier is an iconic scent company that recreates some of the leading parfums, eau de toilette, and colognes around the world and brings it to us at high ingredients and a quality price. Today I'm going to be trying out Dossier's floral grapefruit scent. Let's look in the box. Okay. The perfume comes with a sample. I love that, just in case you want to put your friends on. And it comes in this cute little bottle. Now each scent from Dossier is inspired by an iconic scent, and it comes with a little card to let you know the information. This parfum was inspired by Chanel Chance au Tendre Eau de Parfum. If you can't tell, I've been to Paris before. Let's put it to the test. Ooh, fresh, light, a little fruity. That was a waft, by the way. That's how I like to test perfumes. I'm not done. I actually got a second scent from them, and I want to try that with you too. This one here is the Fougere Pink Pepper. Now, I picked my scents blindly. I love an element of surprise to see what I was gonna get. And this one happens to be inspired by Gucci's Guilty. Let's put it to the test. Ooh, wait! That smells rich. Oh my gosh, I picked some great scents. So, wow, I will be using them again. As someone who thinks when things smell good, it just makes the world a better place, I'll continue to use Dossier. Check out the link in my description box if you too love to smell expensive, baby. Now let's get into this ponytail. First things first, the ponytail tools. I'll be using the Spirit Loves Beauty Lock Spray, Murray's Edge Wax, an edge brush, and my trusty dusty scarf. The first thing that I like to do is spray my hair until it's completely damp. This is how I start every single style because dry hair breaks, and you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized enough for you to move it, cause friction without causing any excess breakage. After spraying my hair, I then like to just smooth all of the moisture in and start getting it set into the ponytail that I'm going to be doing. Today I'm doing a middle part, and so you'll just see me smoothing my edges, smoothing my hair, and getting ready to slick her down. After setting my ponytail in the general idea, I then add the edge control to my edges. Now I'll spray the brush as well as just apply it to my edges and smooth it out on both sides. This is the foundation of getting your slick back right. So you want to apply not too much product and be gentle with your edges so they don't break off, but you do want to have enough product so that you can create some hold. After applying edge control product to both sides of your hair, you are going to be ready to start up that ponytail, girl. As you gather your hair into the ponytail, don't worry about it being perfectly smooth right now. The smoothing and the slickness happens as we set it. So for this part, you're just going to focus on gathering that hair into that ponytail, smoothing out any super frizzy pieces, and then setting any locks at the top to where you want them to be. So if you want to move some to cover up any spaces like I have at the top, do that. You see, I didn't do that, but you can do that. Yeah. Once I have the ponytail set, I'm going to smooth my edges one more time, and this is where it's really important because now we're going to get to setting that ponytail. So it's looking really good right now, but wait until I put the scarf on my head and let it set in my hair for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. After this ponytail is going to last you all day. It's time for the big reveal. That's right, after 15-30 minutes, the longer the better. When you take that scarf off, honey, look at that ponytail. Beautiful, slick, shiny, ready to what? Take on the day. Looking what? Gorgeous. Yes, angles, length. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.